You can add your terms and conditions to every booking confirmation. To do this, go to Account Settings, Terms and Conditions. Add your terms and conditions and they will automatically appear on the printed version of the booking confirmation. If you want them to show on the emailed version, you can enable this by going to Translations, Booking Email Translation, and selecting the Include Terms and Conditions option. An electronic version of your terms and conditions is available, allowing you to store a digitally signed document under every customer record. To access this, tick the Enable Signature option on the Terms and Conditions page, and you will see that every customer profile has a Not Signed button under their name. When your customer arrives to drop off or collect their pet, you can ask them to sign this document on your computer or tablet. Once this has been done, the Not Signed button turns to a Signed button. You can also choose to email this document to your customers to sign by pressing the Request One Now button. If you tick the Notify Me When Customer Has Signed button, you will receive an email once the document has been signed, and can review the signature in the customer's profile. All of the wording of this email can be changed under the Customized Text for Signature in the Terms and Conditions Settings page. Type your own language or wording into the field beneath each heading, press Save, and your text will be displayed on the email. If you use our online booking widget, your customers can sign this document online. When they log into their account to make a booking request, they will see a button at the bottom of the page inviting them to sign your terms and conditions. If you ever need to change a signature, go to that customer's profile, press Signed to reopen the document, and press the New Signature button.